Hi guys, in this video we'd like to give you a quick introduction to the HDM-U2VC. This is a USB HDMI capture card. Its intended application, it's got many applications for that matter. So for example, let's say that you wanted to capture an HDMI feed from a DVR, or you wanted to capture some of your video feed, your game footage of you playing on computer games or Xbox. This is a perfect device for that application. So let's have a quick look what comes inside of the box. In other videos I'll discuss some of the features and the restrictions, but basically it's just a box. There's the user manual. Please, I ask very nicely, take the time to read the user manual. It does list some hardware specifications in here as well as some software specs. So please take the time to read through this first. And we've obviously got our device here. It's got an HDMI input on one side and a USB, and you can plug that into any USB port on any operating system. In future videos I will discuss some of the restrictions and the minimum requirements for this device itself, but there you have it. Have a wonderful day.